Hi, Kelly from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle. And what we have here is a set of carburetors from the 1982 Yamaha XJ650 Maxim. These carbs are in pretty good shape. We're selling them as a core to rebuild, but just want to show you everything seems to be mechanically good on them as far as the throttles move fine. The choke opens up when I find the lever. Well, it's actually cable operated on these, but yeah, chokes do work. And the carb slides are all moving freely. So, you know, you're not going to have a, anyway, you're not going to have a problem with an unrebuildable carburetor. But, you know, these are going to need rebuilt. We're not selling them as something to bolt on. You're going to need to do some work on these, but definitely a good start. These will be on our e-store. Thanks for watching.